Start marketing your business. Zero-cost smart strategies for beginners. Presented by Syed Arman Ahmad. EduVillage. What is marketing? Marketing is the process of promoting and selling products or services. Helps people know about your business and builds trust. Why marketing matters. Even the best product needs visibility. Good marketing equals more customers equals more growth. Step 1. Personal branding. You are the face of your business. Use your name, style, and voice to build trust. Post your work regularly on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram. Step 2. Free tools for marketing. Use Canva to design posters and social posts. List your business on Google My Business. Use WhatsApp business features like catalog and auto-reply. Step 3. Local area marketing. Promote in your local area. Kirana stores. Flyers and posters. Local WhatsApp groups. Step 4. Use testimonials. Happy customers are your best marketers. Collect video or text feedback. Share it on social media. Activity time. Direct hit. Create a Canva poster for your business idea. Stopwatch time, 15 minutes. Mobile phone. Post it in your WhatsApp group or status. Recap and homework. Apply one local plus one digital marketing idea. Collect feedback from 2 people about your pitch. Observe what works and improve.